Imagine a world where art is no longer limited by human imagination, where the boundaries of creativity are pushed to unprecedented levels, and where machines can generate mesmerizing masterpieces that leave us in awe. Welcome to the realm of generative art with AI, where the fusion of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence gives birth to breathtakingly beautiful and thought-provoking creations that challenge our perceptions and inspire our souls. Generative art with AI is a rapidly evolving field that has been gaining momentum in recent years, as advancements in machine learning and deep learning technologies have made it possible to create complex and intricate patterns, shapes, and forms that were previously unimaginable. This art form is not just about creating visually stunning images, but also about exploring the very limits of creativity and innovation, and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. At its core, generative art with AI is about using algorithms and machine learning models to generate art that is unique, original, and often unpredictable. These algorithms can be trained on vast amounts of data, from images and sounds to texts and even emotions, and can learn to recognize patterns and relationships that are not immediately apparent to human eyes. By leveraging this capability, artists and designers can create art that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also thought-provoking and emotionally resonant. One of the most fascinating aspects of generative art with AI is its ability to create art that is constantly evolving and changing. Unlike traditional art forms, as we look to the future, it's clear that generative art with AI is going to play an increasingly important role in shaping our cultural and artistic landscape. It's going to challenge our assumptions about creativity and intelligence, and inspire us to think differently about the possibilities of art and technology. So, let's embark on this exciting journey of discovery and exploration, and see where the fusion of human imagination and artificial intelligence takes us. In conclusion, generative art with AI is a revolutionary field that's changing the way we think about art, creativity, and innovation. It's a world of breathtakingly beautiful and thought-provoking creations, where machines and humans collaborate to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, if you're ready to explore this exciting new frontier, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on generative art with AI and other cutting-edge technologies.